And my third top pick for summer is this brand new Unity blouse. It's fairly new to the market. As you can see, nice and long, covers again, looks great tucked in. You will notice the nice little keyhole here, but there is also pleating here. So if you want to put your logo on it, I would recommend doing it like this on the sleeve. Heaps of room in the sleeve, and again, nice, light. The best thing about all of these is they are literally a wash, hang, wear. Nice and easy, you pretty much can't kill them. So they're my top picks. Hope you're loving them. They're all on our website. This Unity top comes in black, charcoal navy, and a new green. So just search the name of the top on our website, absoluteapparel.com.au, and you'll be able to see them, all the sizes available, and we'd love to help you feel nice and cool this summer.